Suck my ass. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, leave it alone. Can you guys stop? There's a fucking conga line of assholes. I'm sorry. I've been lying. Fuck you. I mean, yeah, fuck. I hate corn. This is why I hate corn. Look, there's corn falling from the sky. This is why I hate corn. Everyone was crazy. Everyone said I was crazy. Everyone said, why do you hate corn? This is why. This is why I fucking hate corn. Oh my god, my asshole. I mean, what? No. Wait. My fucking balls slapped the airplane. Fuck you. Please. No, please get up. Oh, no. Oh, I thought I overshot. Oh, there's no more chicken. Oh, fuck. This music is pissing me off. Oh! Wait, what was that? I don't know what that noise was. Oh! What are these noises? Stop. You know what? I'm just gonna make really angry sounds from now on. Instead of like getting mad and saying bad words, I'm just gonna say really angry, upset sounds. Ha! What? What? Yay. Oh my god, yes! Yes! Oh. Please. Okay. I mean, what? Sorry, that was a really angry sound just now. I'm so mad, I'm making very angry sounds. Sus? I would never be sus. What are you talking about? I'm just very upset, that's why. I'm just very upset. I'm very mad. Oh, come on! I bet I can win if I think this game is easier than getting over it. So all I have to do... Wait, I'm very fast as a chicken. And I can jump really far. What the fuck? Yo, this is... Okay. I'm a little upset, if you guys couldn't tell. Please, okay. Actually, I'm... Oh, God, okay. Oh my god, the timing! Dude, I dodged it 3 times! Holy shit. There's a lot of balls. Bye? Why does it say bye? You little bitch. Why would you say... Oh god, you're joking. Okay. No, not the beginning, not again, please. Not the beginning, please. Squeeze into the hole. Not that hole. Speed run. Fuck. No, don't do that, actually. You're gonna disappoint a lot of people. Okay, just take it very easy. What'd you say? I didn't say anything, actually. I don't even remember what I said just now. This sounds painful. Just get in the hole. It's not that hard. Just please. Boy, please no! Whatever. That would have come in handy for... Suck my... Nothing. We're good. Yeah. What? What? Okay, we're gonna pretend that never happened. Ooh! Clapped my ass cheek. Fuck no, my say. Easy. What? Easy. Oh, yeah, easy. Yeah. Go. In between the balls. Ball. yeah. Whoa, I did it. Haha. Yay, me. Yay. I did it. Whoa, yay. Haha. Now I'm mad. We're going to the OG again. No more games. This time, I speedrun everything. I'm gonna get to the end right now. I'm getting to the end of this level right now. This is it. This is it. Watch this. This is world record pace. Fucking world record, baby. Look at this. Watch this. World record run right here. Right here. Yep, here it is. Oh, there we go. There we go. I clipped in. I clipped in. World record pace right here. Oh, yeah. Get the save. Do the jump. Ooh, do the short jump. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. All right, then do the hop. And then do the other hop. And then throw the chicken. All right, world record pace. Let's go. Jump on the stairs. Jump on the other stair. Get the third stair. The third stair is the trickiest. Can he do it? He can! All right. Build momentum. Speed run. The chicken. The chicken is the hardest part. But he nails it! He nails it! He nails the fucking chicken! Ugh. Okay. Woo. Up. Up. And around. What? Something lagged. I swear to God, something fucking lagged. Okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay, I'm done for today. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. I'm done. We can come back a different time. We'll come back a different day. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. Kagase, Seraton, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm done for today. 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 Get this game off my fucking screen. Oh God. Please make it stop. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay.